We've done it again. Anthony Ford with Caulking Armor, Lifetime Deck Armor. I'm in Monroe, Ohio, and the deck system behind me was suffering from peeling deck paint and Peeling Behr Deck Over. There was 2 layers on here, both peeling. We've came in and we've encapsulated it in the world's toughest deck armor, Caulking Armor, and saved this structure. Let's go take a look. Take you guys up and show you just how gorgeous this turned out. This is an older 2x6 wood structure. So we're talking about older 2x6 floor here that was inundated with peeling deck paint and Peeling Behr Deck Over. And just look at it now. Look how beautiful this turned out after we brought the industrial grade, the high stretch, the ultra tough Caulking Armor in here and did what we call lockdown encapsulation. It has given these deck owners their deck system back and saved them from what we call tear down to the frame floor replacement here at the bare minimum, right? Look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous this is through here. Just look. Now what we did here, we came in, we cleaned everything up. Okay, that was the very first thing that we did. And then the great thing about Caulking Armor is it comes with all the restoration and repair that you need to get your structure back to sound and indefinitely viable again. So we came in and we pulled out all the bad, rotten and expired 2x6 boards in here, and there wasn't many. There was maybe 7, 8 of them. We came in here and pulled those out and we replaced them with our air dried pressure treated lumber. Once that was done, we performed general maintenance where we went around and tightened everything up, set down nails and screws, and then came in and we did the lockdown encapsulation, and boy oh boy is it beautiful. Now the cool thing about Caulking, it doesn't need all the high labor preparations that you guys are used to with thin residential deck paints and stains. So we don't need to come in and spend days sanding your deck. We don't need to come in and chemical peel all the Behr Deck Over off of there. Caulking Armor, the world's toughest deck armor, it is specified to encapsulate peeling deck paints, Peeling Behr Deck Over without any of that stuff. It's just a raw encapsulation of your old weathered deck that puts a thick built high membrane over top of all that stuff that has really absurd adhesion, and it just gets rid of all that stuff for life. Locally backed for life. These customers now, they avoided that tear down to frame replacement. Okay, they have a lifetime limited warranty and they have a lifetime service promise. Caulking Armor has a local dealership here in Cincinnati where our deck restoration painters and our deck rescue painters actually stay with our customers for life and provide service, support, and warranty. So these customers won't ever have to completely paint or stain their deck system again. So they saved avoiding replacement. And here in about 7 years, when they're supposed to go through another major restoration and refinishing cycle, they'll save again because we stayed with them for life, right? And the Caulking Armor film protected their deck system. Just gorgeous. Now, I'm going to draw your attention to the supreme water lock of Caulking. Pay attention. There's no, and when I mean no, there is no fastener entry points that are left open, okay? And there are no cracks, no hairline cracks, nothing that's open in this floor right now. Nothing at all. So there is nowhere for water to enter the surfaces of this deck system. Just gorgeous. Just beautiful. From the Peeling Behr Deck Over mess that was here to how gorgeous and just absurdly beautiful we brought this little backyard deck out to be. This is an amazing turnaround. And now these homeowners can enjoy their structure. It's horrible to be ashamed or have what we call deck embarrassment syndrome, where you don't want to have friends and family over to have cookouts and enjoy your backyard because your deck's horrible, right? It looks horrible. It's got peeling paint. rotten boards. We solved all that for these homeowners, and we solved it for them in 2 visits. 1 visit for cleaning and restoration, the second visit for the encapsulation and the lockdown of the peeling paint and the Peeling Behr Deck Over that's on this structure. Listen, if you want to learn more about caulking armor, the world's toughest deck armor, its peeling deck paint lockdown encapsulation abilities, and its lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise, what we call lifetime deck armor, you can just go to caulkingarmor.com where you can learn about all that stuff. And also from that website, you can schedule a free quotation. From just north of Cincinnati, Ohio, I'm Anthony Ford, the proprietor of Caulking Armor.